For Subaru owners seeking the next level in camping, the Thule Roof Top Tent makes adventure travel easier, more comfortable, and more fun. The tent's innovative design maximizes interior space, giving users a great place to hang out in, as well as a comfortable night's sleep. Remove the Thule rooftop tent from its carton and, with the assistance of another person, place the tent on a large, sturdy work surface. Release the buckle and unfold the tent. Open the door and remove the ladder, travel cover, rain fly, and hardware bag from inside. Install the D-rings onto the tent base with the provided hardware. Make sure the angled side of the ladder brackets are facing in. Next, install the ladder brackets using a 4mm hex key and 10mm wrench or socket. For each ladder bracket, insert 2 nylock nuts through the door of the tent. Secure the hardware using the hex key and the wrench or socket. Attach the ladder to the brackets with the bolts, washers, and nylock nuts. Repeat this process for the other side. Make sure the ladder can pivot freely. Secure the ladder with the safety strap. Secure the safety buckle on the side of the tent. Separate the rain fly from the travel cover. Set the rain fly aside. Locate the white tab on the travel cover. The tab indicates where to connect the zipper on the travel cover to the base of the tent. Place the travel cover over the assembled tent. The water-resistant travel cover protects the tent when driving and when the tent is not in use. Zip the travel cover over the tent and tuck the zipper pull into the storage pocket. Install Thule crossbars a minimum of 27.5 inches or 700mm apart. With 2 people, lift the Thule rooftop tent onto the vehicle's crossbars. The tent can be centered on the vehicle's crossbars or offset to one side to accommodate the Thule awning roof-mounted accessory. Check to make sure the tent's mounting location does not interfere with the vehicle's liftgate. To assemble the mounting brackets, thread the 13mm bolts and lock washers through the plate and into the twist lock components. The wider side of the bracket should be facing up when mounting on Thule accessory crossbars. Make sure the twist locks with the Thule one-key system lock cylinders are paired together. Tighten the bolts to expose the top. Then use a pair of pliers to install the circlips on each one. Make sure the twist locks are perpendicular to the mounting rails. Then press the mounting bracket assembly straight up. Twist the mounting brackets 90 degrees until they click into place. Use the included torque limiting tool or a torque wrench in 13mm socket to torque the bolts to 4 Nm. Install the bracket with the Thule one-key system and locks facing out for easy access. The torque limiting tool will make an audible click once the bolts are properly torqued. The mounting hardware is designed to have a small gap between the lower brackets and twist locks. Use the end of the included load bar measuring tool to check for proper spacing. With the mounting brackets secured, turn the key to lock the Thule Roof Top Tent to the crossbar for added security. Make sure to note the 4-digit Thule one-key system number in the owner's manual. With this code, you can easily order matching replacement keys or additional lock cylinders for other Thule accessories. With the vehicle parked on a level surface, remove the travel cover and store it in the vehicle. Release the ladder and tent buckles, along with the ladder safety strap. Extend the ladder fully until the rungs lock into place. Grab the ladder with both hands and use it to unfold the tent. Press the red buttons to collapse the rungs. To adjust the ladder to the desired height, start at the base and extend each rung until it locks into place. Make sure that any unused rungs are stored at the top of the ladder. For safe operation, the ladder should be positioned at a 75-degree angle. The ladder must remain in place to support the tent when deployed. To install the rainfly, place it over the canopy. Connect the 8 buttons located near the tent poles to the rainfly. Attach the hook and loop fasteners at each end of the rainfly to the tent. Remove the rainfly rods from the storage pouch at the door. Insert the rods through the slots in the canopy and into the tent base. Hook the end of the rainfly rods into the grommets. Before closing the Thule rooftop tent, make sure all the mosquito screens and windows are shut. Place the rainfly rods back in the zippered pocket at the entrance. Secure the rainfly to the tent canopy with the grommets. Extend the ladder fully and push it towards the vehicle. Press the red buttons to collapse the rungs. Collapse and store the ladder, then secure the safety buckles. Tuck in the canopy material and attach the hook and loop fasteners. Zip the travel cover onto the tent. Store the zipper pull in the pocket on the travel cover. For more details and other genuine Subaru lifestyle accessories by Thule, please visit your local Subaru retailer.